2025 updated step-by-step fix. Step 1. Resync your EA account. A common cause in Battlefield 6 is broken account linking between EA app and SteamBattle.net. 1. Visit https://myaccount.ea.com/cp/connect accounts. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Check if your Steam Battle.net Xbox is properly linked. 3. If not linked or showing an error, unlink and relink it. 4. Restart EA app and try launching Battlefield 6. Step 2. Switch to mobile hotspot. This checks if your ISP or router is blocking connections. 1. Disconnect your PC from Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Connect via mobile hotspot. 3. Launch Battlefield 6. Open quote. If it works, your router ISP is likely blocking EA ports or services. Configure your router to allow UDP 3659.14,000.4039.22990.23006. Close quote. Header Step 3. Delete EA app cache fully manual. Press Win+R. Type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Delete the folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Also go to, you can see the code in our conversation history, and delete everything except the EA desktop folder. 4. Restart PC, launch EA app, re-login. Step 4. Temporarily disable EA anti-cheat. Open quote, not a permanent fix, but useful for testing if the issue is EAC related. Close quote. 1. Go to the Battlefield 6 install folder. 2. Find the EA anti-cheat.installer.exe. 3. Click on install. 4. Relaunch Battlefield 6. It will reinstall automatically. Only use this step for testing. Reinstall it afterward to avoid anti-cheat violations. Step 5. Change DNS, set static IP. Some players fixed it with a more stable DNS and static IP. 1. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network Connections. 2. Right-click your connection, Properties. 3. Select IPv4, click Properties. 4. Use the following DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Click OK, restart your PC. Step 6. Repair game and anti-cheat. 1. Open EA app, click 3 dots on Battlefield 6, repair. 2. Run EA anti-cheat installer, select Battlefield 6, repair. Final tip, log out of all devices. Log out from all EA accounts on other devices, browser, Xbox, PlayStation. Then log in cleanly on your PC using EA app.